Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Yes, I purposely only filled in one of my eyebrows so that I could try out this product here. This is from LA Colors. I feel like I've been on such a roll with LA Colors lately. And this is the new brow gel in clear. Tames and holds brows all day. Good. That's what I want my brow gel to do. And this brow gel is only $3. I did pick this up at Family Dollar as part of my big makeup haul. But so I love brow gels, and I feel like you can't usually go wrong with a clear brow gel, although I have tried out some bad ones that ended up flaking and looking like noticeable in the brows, and that's not what I want. But I love when a clear brow gel can kind of enhance the brow hairs, make your brows look more full, and hold them in place because I have long brow hairs. So if I don't have some sort of hold to them, they're gonna look like such a mess. So I'm really interested to check out the wand on this. I think a wand can really make or break a brow gel, and okay, this actually looks really good because it's small enough, but it also is a little bit cone shaped, so I'll be able to get precise on the brows. And so I did use my brow pencil to fill in one of my brows, and that's what I typically do when I fill in my brows every day is a brow pencil, and then right now I'm actually using a clear brow gel. Sometimes I'll use a tinted brow gel, but I wanted to see how this would look on top of the brow pencil. That way we can see if it alters it, if it smudges, if it moves it, anything like that, and just how it looks alone. So let's actually start with the brow that does not have the pencil and brush it through. Okay, first thing that seems good is that it is dispersing enough product that I feel like I'm actually able to coat all of the brow hairs, brush through them really easily. I don't think it's super like enhancing, defining to the brow hairs. They look basically exactly the same, but we're going to give it a little time to dry down and we'll see if it's actually going to hold in place. But it worked well to brush through, get them going in the direction that I want. And I'm not seeing any noticeable product right now, so all seems good. While we let that dry, let's go ahead and see how it is on the brow with the pencil. All right, doesn't seem like it's smudging or moving the pencil underneath, which is good. But overall, the brow hairs look pretty much the same. Sometimes it makes them look a little bit more like wet, and I like that look because then it makes the brows look more full. But this just kind of keeps your brow hairs looking the same, but you can definitely get them going in whichever direction you want, the feathered brow look, or I still am into just brushing them to the side. And it looks good, looks fine. But so now this, I think, has dried down. Let's see. Ooh, good. It's not crunchy at all, but the brows are not moving. There's no crumbling or flaking. Awesome. This is an awesome formula. I think that this is a great clear brow gel, especially for only $3. It is just going to lock your brows in place how you want them without feeling uncomfortably tight, crunchy, without flaking. It's such a flexible feel. I love that. I have had such great luck with some LA Colors brow products lately. That LA Colors brow pomade that I tried out recently, I love. And now this brow gel, I also love. And I feel like I'm always talking about how I am obsessed with filling in my brows, and I'm so particular about how my brows look. And the fact that these super inexpensive $3 brow products from LA Colors give me exactly the look that I want, I think is just amazing, because I have tried out the high end, the Benefit, the Anastasia Beverly Hills, which I also love, but I love these just as much, although honestly more since I only have to pay $3 for them. So if you are looking for a good clear brow gel, I think this is a great option to try. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.